There's this guy named...
The idea of somebody going down on a girl and then burping on a girl's clit is the funniest shit to me. Just a really deep guttural belch.
I do that every time. That's my signature move.
Ritual.
There's a nice belch.
I'm down there. I'm
like Barney Gumble.
Yeah. I can't burp right now. I don't got it in me right now. I don't got that dog in me at the moment.
Homer, where's your wife?
Jeez, homie. Homie, stop burping on my clitoris, homie. Homie, stop burping all over my clitoris, please.
That's not what she sounds
Shut
like at all.
up, Marge, you fucking stupid slut bitch.
Homie, that's not a way to talk to your wife.
I'm married to Barney now, bitch. Get the fuck out of here.
That's fucking great.
Yeah,
Homie.
we're getting married.
We're
getting gay married.
Flimsy from Homer. Barney's asshole's flimsy from Homer fucking him so much.
Homie, I think these measures are really drastic. I just want you to stop burping on my clit. That's all I want. You don't have to leave. What about the family?
Do, bitch.
What about the kids, homie? What about the family?
Fuck you, Marge.
I shot them earlier, Marge. They're dead.
What?
Santa's little helper helped me eat the kids. I shot the kids and Santa's little helper ate them.
I ate Maggie and I fucked Bart and Lisa to death.
To death.
Oh my God!
Fuck Bart to death.
I gotta call
That's
Chief
the final
Wiggum.
season of fucking what you call it, The Simpsons.
See, what happened here? What the fuck is going on here, nigga? What happened?
This is an absolute travesty. The biggest travesty to ever befall our small town of Springsville. Springsville, I was going to say.
Springsville. Someone was fucked to death
so we don't get sued.
A few minutes ago.
Yeah.
Homie.
Ooh. You deserve this, Marge, for telling me you wanted me to stop burping on your clit, so I killed our family and left. Fucking outrageous. God Christ. Looks like Homer's going to jiddly jail. Hi diddly ho, criminal.
Yeah. Time to execute Reno, you.
Execute Reno.
He's the fucking yeah.
He's one of the fucking jurymen.
You see, Smithers, this is exactly why I don't pay these people a living wage. They're animals deep down.
Where are all these savages. Simpsons jokes coming from? What is this?
Black savages.
We're a bunch of savages. They'll do the same thing to us if we don't protect ourselves with guns.
What's Smithers' homie name?
What?
What's
you talking about Smithers?
Burns, Mr. Burns.
Are you talking about Smithers?
Smithers.
Mr. Burns.
Just takes Mr. Burns' cock out of his mouth.
That'll be enough now, Smithers. I have to go take my nap.
Aww. Can I at least finish you off, Mr. Burns? Mr. Burns, let me finish you off, Mr. Burns.
I can't believe homie killed the kids.
I'm not very calm about it.
And her sisters are being assholes about it. Like, I saw it coming.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. I saw it coming from a mile away. I knew it.
Guys, we have to show 3 hours. We got to end the podcast. Let's go finish the show.
Yeah, we're not even done with the.
It's almost at 3 hours. Please.
I just wanted him to stop burping on my clit.
Ruining the upholstery.
Stop burping on my clit, he fucking snaps.
Homie, stop
Fuck
burping
you,
on my
Marge.
clit.
No! The fuck up, Marge.
He kills his kids. He goes, no. Oh my God. All right, we gotta move on. Give me the D boys and please my hole. I want to get lost in your cock and balls and drift away.
Let's go.
No.
This is your fault, Marge. You made me kill them. You're so
homie,
fucking selfish, Marge.
It's a reasonable preference, homie. I just don't.
I don't like you burping on my clitoris. What's wrong with that? Fuck you, Marge.
I don't think it's sexy. I don't know why you want to do that.
Shut the
I
fuck
put up with
Marge.
the heinous pH balance of your pussy. You can deal with my burps, bitch.
He's starting to sound like Al Bundy.
pH
He's
value.
starting to
Yeah, he's just.
Marge.
I can't.
Fuck you, Marge.
Fuck you, Marge.
It's kind of hard
Fuck
to do.
you, Marge. Fuck yeah. He just like starts. It starts. The voice actor has lost it. He's not even joking anymore. Oh God, we gotta move on. We got.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's just
ruining the
real
upholstery.
screaming at her.
Ruining the upholstery of a Ford F-150 with the boys. Fuck you. The homo men. Make
Oh yeah. Barney's been eating my ass.
Oh no.
That's right. You can't
Barney's
do shit,
been-
Homer, with your tiny baby penis.
Homer
I
walks
heard
up
Bart's
to Barney.
penis is bigger than yours.
Homer walks up to Barney and hits him one time and kills him. He hits him one time and he hits his head on like a fucking side of the curb and dies. And Barney's gone. That is the
I don't
end of Barney
understand.
and he gets written off.
I don't
you
understand.
stupid-
He just.
He just tapped
We
him.
can't. We'll do this
killed
forever.
me. You killed me, cunt.
You killed me. This is yet another travesty for the young town of Springfield. Another murder.
Am I allowed back on the show? Am I
It's
am
me.
I allowed to be on the show again?
Am I allowed to be back on the show? Jesus Christ.
Did they get
My
rid of him?
business has been floundering for years.
They really got rid of him?
Yeah.
Well, did they?
Yeah,
thought they
so they
recasted
retired
him.
Apu. They retired him. Unless they
Oh,
brought
that's
him
weird.
back after high demand, but as far as I remember, they retired him.
That's
Thank you.
confusing.
May I
Come
burp
again.
on your pussy? May I burp on your clit, Marge? Excuse me,
Why
Marge,
does
may I
everyone
burp
want to burp on my clit? What the hell's going on?
There's meetings about burping on Marge's clit independent of her.
The town, the city hall meetings.
All right, let me get this clear. Who here in the room has burped on Marge's clit? Everybody raises their hands.
Everyone.
Oh my god.
Oh dear.
I don't even remember.
A problem.
So I'm the only person who hasn't then. Fascinating.
Yeah.
Give it up. No one's ever gonna fuck you, faggot.
All right, guys, we're out of here. I'm out of here. This is it. We have to. This is not gonna stop.
Man,
There's an image of Maggie hanging, being hung from a tree. Maggie just getting
Well, all right.
And fucking Mo just
we
like.
gotta,
Oh, that's a nice looking baby. It's a nice hanging baby, Homer.
Okay, let's go. We're done.
There's an image of
Who put
Mo
the dead baby
bashing
in here?
Maggie against the
Who
rock.
put the dead baby in here? Who the hell hung the Simpsons baby in my bar? What the hell you doing?
Who fucking did that? That's not funny.
Shut the fuck up, Mo. Give me
it's
give me
his
a
kid
beer,
dangling in the
bitch.
corner. Shut up, Mo. I want a
up, Mo.
beer.
She's
Can't you see my child is dead in your bar? I need to drink the sorrows away.
Homie, what are you doing?
We got, all right, listen. Homo Men Make Me Hard. Dailywire presents Matt Walsh's What is a Black?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Homie, why did we subscribe to Dailywire Plus?
He's got good ideas,
Marge, I really like
Marge.
hearing what's going on in the world.
Marge,
tired
I
of
really
women,
like Matt Walsh.
Matt Walsh said something about the left taking our dicks. I like my dick, Marge.
I'm tired of running into chicks with dicks in the bathroom, Marge.
Marge,
I walk in
Oh,
there and
man.
I'm like,
bigger than me.
I'm not happy no more. Ever since my wife left me for burping on her clit. That's how Homer sounds in 20 years later.
Eater, make you come hard, make you come hard. You come hard, you come even harder.
Donk.
Come on your clit, Walter. Marge,
Walter,
I mean,
leave munching your pussy.
Marge,
real
I
quick,
mean.
Walter, I'm busy.
Marge, I mean.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy.
I don't think it's
I can
unreasonable.
smell your
homie.
pussy from up here, Marge. What the hell's going on?
Marge, I can smell your pussy from under. What did you say? He's like, I can smell your pussy underwater, Marge.
No, something I can smell my dick from underwater, Peg, or something, something like that.
Yeah, I can't remember. Oh yeah, I can smell my dick underwater after I fuck you, Peg. Was what I said.
That's it.
The most out of pocket thing I think I've ever said, probably. But you know, we're out here.
You gave her the filthiest dick ever, dude. Your dick looks like an eclair, bro.
Bye, everyone. Don't burp on my clit.
Please don't burp on my clit.
Shut up, bitch.
Shut the fuck up, Marge. He hits her straight.
Jeez, this is worse than the time I burped on Marge Simpson's clit.
Nah. And it's him in South. It is him in fucking Fortnite running around.
Yeah, it's
Nigga, there's a family guy. Nigga, there's a man who.
Hey, Brian. What you wanna burp on Marge Simpson's clit there?
Let's get out of here. Bye, guys. Bye. We'll bye. Let's
Brian.
bye.
I don't think that's appropriate for a baby.
Hey,
I'm a liberal. I'm a liberal.
I'm a liberal.
Hey, Brian.
I'm a liberal.
Don't burp on my clit.
I'm a liberal.
What the deuce?
I'm a liberal. I'm writing a book. I'm a liberal. I care about
we are microwaving. Let's go.